welcome back, guys. Today, my father and my mother are going to read some Gen Z word. Let's begin. No introduction. Wait, let me drink some water.
Russia, yo.
Yoris.
Verdade, isso.
What the Sigma? Chachuru! No! Okay, wait. Okay.
Take a deep breath. Okay. It was hot. What the Sigma?
Oh, talk to me. I've been to cook my plantain time. No, ano? Nang mana pa yan, say putang.
Level 10 kia. Hot drop. Sigma. Sidi Farum Tax. Maybe kang. Low and full of paper. Bryce. That's you guys.
Wait, 3 seconds after you finish.
Let's go, guys.
Wait. Wait. Drink first. See, after you read, you have to wait 3 seconds. Wait 3 seconds.
CBD toilet. Oil up my bro. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Guy Genat. Rizal. Fanum Tax. Gayan. Keep here. The Lulu. Let him look. Musin. You're part the God. Oh, brother, this guy stinks. Skibidi do. Yes. Go.
Choi no tang.
Inte massor. Eller den som säger det. Jämra, han sitter där.
No, after you finish, wait 3 seconds.
Det tror jag så tänkte vi ha på det. Raise your yo-yo, oyori, spread the user, what the Sigma. Level 10, get Hoktong. Sigma, skibidi, famukas. Baby crow. Low tipper, pepper. Bryce, cook. Costio, guys. Skibidi, toilet. Oil up my bra. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Kite, peanut.
I love my bra.
Risla.
Galing lang.
Ay, brati. Bro, put it up my bra.
Wait, Kasu.
Rizzler, Fanum Tax, Diet, Bear. Pocky Bear, Guide,
Ukibia.
Pookie Bear, Dilulu, let him cook, Busil, Yepper the ghost. Oh brother, this guy stinks. Skippity do yes. Go. Kasawit.
Bye-bye po to.